Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today's video about Rainbird 32SA pop-up gear drive rotary sprinkler. In this video we will learn how to adjust those sprinklers, but before that I'm about to read some instructions. And this video is not a sponsored video. I'm not getting any money from these products. I'm just making video for YouTubers to help. If you are facing problem to adjust those sprinklers, you can watch my video and adjust. First I'm gonna read some specification for this one. This sprinkler can go from 40 degree to 360 degree, and it can pressure can go from 19 foot to 32 foot. Operating pressure is 25 to 55 psi. If you want to maintain pressure, then each sprinkler have to have a 55 psi all the time. So basically your water line, if all sprinklers are on, supposed to maintain 55 psi, and the flow rate is 3.3 gallon per minute. The less is 2.2 gallon per minute. Now let's start to making an adjustment. Now here we are on the sprinkler. You can see that's the model number on it, Rainbird 32SA. We can make two adjustments with the sprinklers. First, pressure, how far you want to throw the water. Second, how much rotation you want. So this one can go from 40 degree to 360 degree. As far as for the pressure, you can go from 19 foot to 32 foot, as long as you have a 55 psi pressure on each sprinkler. So now let's make some adjustment. First, how far you want to do. So if you see here arrow and there's a little screw inside, if you turn clockwise, then you will go close, like your pressure gonna be less, and it's gonna make a little bit more like sprinkler thing. But if you want to do far, you put screwdriver and spin counterclockwise. This water gonna throw like from 19, 20, 30 foot, but the water gonna be like a solid. So, but still you can adjustment from here, like how far you want to go. For the rotation wise, this is the screw you're gonna use, but there's a little bit of you have to use a trick, or I don't know, that's the way I have learned. I tried a couple things, but it wasn't working. Since I have read all the instructions, it started working. So here, first you spin, you see this arrow, you spin counterclockwise, all the way. So that's the starting point. Then you put your screwdriver here, and spin to the plus side. Then you spin this one this way. That's the ending point. So right now it's ending like this way. So if you go a little back, then spin more, and I'm gonna go back again. You have to go back again, and if you spin, you're gonna go further. So before it was like that, now it's go this way. So as far as you want to go, you just once you have moved the screw, you have to go back one time, then come back. The rotation will be changed. It will go a little bit more further. So that's the way you can change rotation. But this one I have in a corner, so I don't want to spin too much. I'm gonna put it back at 45 degree. So now I have done. I'm gonna go back, see if it's gonna stop here. So right now it's at 45 degree. I need a little bit more, less here. Go to the minus side, go here. As you can see, now it's straight again. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and meet you in next video with the new topic.